Hi guys, good morning. I just want to share ito bago na naman some ideas that I thought about doing itong another Christmas decor. Okay? So I'll show you kung ano yung mga item na ginamit ko. Okay? Bumili ako nitong Christmas light na to, no? You can see. I think around 350 to 500 ang price nito. Christmas light. Ito 'yon. Okay? So, and then bumili ako nitong string na to. Medyo thick siya. Titignan nyo. Basta malambot pa rin. Okay? You can use that. And then mag-cut ka na lang ng piece na ganito. Okay? Ito. So, ang ginawa ko para ma-insert mo siya ng maayos, okay, tinurn ko bawat string ng para kang waves. Okay, tapos sa end nun, shinape ko siya ng ganito. So you guys can see. Para yung pag ipapasok mo siya sa bottle water, madali siyang ipasok yung edge nung Christmas light. Okay? So yan. So, ikaw na lang ang mag-measure kung how long you wanted it, okay? So, ganyan. And then, nag-collect ako, before I threw the bottled water empty, I thought about using it para sa Christmas decor. So, it's just this is my own idea. So, in-empty ko siya, din-dry up ko muna siya, okay? So, ikakat ko yung ito, tatanggalin ko tong mark na yan, yung label. Okay? So, it'll be like this one. Empty. No? Label. So, ganun, ipinasok ko siya dito sa isang bottle water. No? I'll show you a little bit of it, how you gonna do it. Kunin mo muna yung Christmas light, yung isa sa mga string ng Christmas light. And then, yung ginawa kong ito, string, no? Ipasok mo yung pinaka-bottom part nun dito para pagka pinasok mo siya sa loob ng bottle water, hindi siya mahirap. Okay? You can see that. Para may konting shape naman pagka naipasok mo na siya sa bottle water. Okay? Just insert it like that. Every corner ng Christmas light mo, and then yung end ito para mag-hold siyang mabuti. And sorry guys, pasensya na kayo sa mga rooster. Okay, like that. Okay, and then like I showed you kanina, ito para siyang inano ko siya as like tapos mo-move mo siya. Yung string mo, gawin mo lang parang wave. Ganyan. Okay, hanggang sa makarating siya all the way sa end. Push mo lang siya. Okay, keep pushing it until you reach the end of it. Okay. Ayan. Pasensya na kayo. This is actually my first time doing this. Kasi, it's like, I thought about using those bottled water. And, i-check nyo lang yung Christmas light na gagamitin nyo. Na LED Christmas light. To make sure it's an indoor Christmas light. Na proportion siya dun sa init na pwede dito sa bottled water na gagamitin nyo. Okay? So, ganun. Sorry guys. Insert mo all the way. Ganun. Hanggang sa makapasok siya sa end. Okay? Ganun. So, yung tip niya ng yun ang magiging way nyo to insert it do sa bottled water. You can use the plies, and you can use this one, the scissor, yung para mag-cut ng mga strings nyo. And then, also guys, sa bottled water, make sure there's a hole. Create a hole sa bottom ng bottled water. And then, of course, meron kayong hole dyan. Okay? So, ngayon, i-attach nyo siya dito na make sure na pwede siyang makapasok to sa hole na ginawa nyo. Squish it. Make it a little bit narrow. Ayan. Just be careful, okay? Be careful when you're doing it. You wanna always be safe. And then, i-cross nyo lang to para safe na hindi siya matatanggal or alam mo yan pag pinasok mo na. So, ganon. And then, make sure, kahit na may wave style yung nyo, yung string nyo, make sure it's still straight. Kasi may hirapan kayo kung hindi straight. Okay? Yan, may hirapan kayo pagka pinasok nyo na hindi straight. Okay? Ganyan. Yung kakalabasan nun. And then, it doesn't have to be so perfect. Ang importante dito is you're able to bring it inside. Push mo lang. Hanggang sa nakikita nyo yung tip nun. Alam mo yun? Medyo challenging lang siya pag pinapasok mo. Pero, madali naman din. See? How you, I was able to put it in. Then, slowly lang. No? Na kunin nyo pati yung string. Aluminum string mo. See? Doon. Make sure lang na i-try mong makuha. See? I was able to bring it in out there. And then, mag-cut ka ng little piece like this para i-hold mo dito. Can you see? Yun. Papasok mo siya doon. And then, i-attach mo siya along with the Christmas light para pag nakakabit na, hindi siya madudulas, hindi siya babalik pababa. Okay? So, ina-attach ko lang siya there. In one of those holes. In between ng Christmas light tsaka yung string. Okay? You see that? No? Okay. And then, i-ano nyo lang. Itali nyo lang like that. Okay? Tinatali kong ganito. The reason why, make sure na magkahiwalay. Okay? Para pagka nahatak siya, okay? Like that. See? Pag nahatak siya, hindi siya mawawala uli. It's like that. Okay? So, tapos yung ilalim, hawakan nyo dito sa end. I-push nyo lang to para yung end ng Christmas light. See? Kaya it's better, I would advise na pag bumili kayo ng Christmas light nyo, bilhin nyo yung mismo na meron siyang string na Christmas light. Hindi lang yung dire-diretsong Christmas light. Ito, yung binili ko is yung marami siyang string. I hope you guys understand what I'm talking about. Ito yon. Yung nabili ko, may mga parang branches siya dun sa, see? Yan, see? Ganyan. So, yun ang gagamitin nyo. So, like I'm showing you guys, nagawa ko na yung mga, I only pick 10 bottled water that I used. Kasi enough na yon sa gagamitin ko. And then, gagawin ko siya later. Papakita ko sa inyo kung paano ko i-arrange itong mga to to make it a good Christmas decor. Parang gagawin ko siyang star. I'll string them all attached na mag-shape siya na like sa star na ganyan. No? Yan. Parang magiging ganyan siya. And then, i-attach ko lahat yan. And then, yung remaining na Christmas light na to, na natitira, na string, ipapasok ko na lang siya para double. Pero, ang magiging outcome niya is basically like a parol. Like, ito. So, lahat ng ito ipapasok ko sa bawat isa. But, yung magiging outcome niya is they're all gonna be sticking together like that. Tapos, iyahan ko na lang siya in one of my windows. Okay? So, I'll show you guys once I get to finish all of this. Hopefully, tonight, I'll be able to see how it looks. Okay? So, yun. I just want to share with you guys. Sana, bring out your ideas, your crafty ideas para budget wise sa pagde-decor sa bahay. And again, ito I almost forgot, tatanggalin nito para maging clear glass siya na ganyan. And then later nga pala, I'll also spray paint this in silver. So, magiging silver ang outside, hindi lang clear. Okay? So, lahat ng yan, tatanggalin ko. And then, bumili ako ng spray paint. I'll show you yung spray paint na ginamit ko. Okay? Hold on. I'm sorry. I was not all prepared for that. Ito, yung ginamit kong spray paint. Again, this is not a commercial thing for Bosny. Hindi ko siya, kina-commercialize. But I just want you guys to see kung anong itsura ng spray paint. Okay? 100% acrylic. Okay. So, yun, i-spray paint ko siya dito sa mga bottle water na ginawa ko. And I'll finish all of this and share it with you guys later once I get to finish. Para makita yung outcome of it. Okay? Thank you so much. And sana magustuhan nyo every post that I have na makakatulong sa inyo. Ma-enjoy nyo and ma-practice and magawa nyo sa bahay. Just think of something na alam mo sa bahay instead of you throwing it. Try of something na crafty na pwede mo magawa para hindi ka nagagastos. Okay? And that's it. Thank you so much, and please, I would really appreciate it if you guys like my YouTube channel, and you can comment as well, and it will really help me out. Yung subscribe nyo, share nyo sa mga family and friends, and again, I just wanna say Merry Christmas in advance, and enjoy decorating your house. Okay? Thank you. God bless. Bye. Stay well.